Hello student, in this video I am going to discuss some miscellaneous problems related to identities. In these problems we are going to use identities a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube, or maybe a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So these are the combined problems related to these identities. Let us start with the problem. Now this is the first problem. If x plus 1 upon x is 2 and we have to find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square, x6 plus 1 upon x6 and x12 plus 1 upon x12. Now students, you should know one thing here. Just to find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square, we need the basic x plus 1 upon x. It is a basic unit of x square plus 1 upon x square. For x6 plus 1 upon x6, we can find the value of x6 plus 1 upon x6 from x square plus 1 upon x square, and value of x cube x12 plus 1 upon x12 is possible from x6 plus 1 upon x6. So let us start with the problem. In the first step we consider x plus 1 upon x as equation number 1. This is equation number 1. For finding x square plus 1 upon x square, squaring both sides. When we do the squaring, we get x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 is equals to 4. Shifting 2 to other side, we get x square plus 1 upon x square is equals to 2. Now for second step, x6 plus 1 upon x6, we will do the cubing of equation number 2. So this is the next step where we perform the cubing of a second equation. By performing the cubing, we get x square plus 1 upon x square whole cube by using the identity a plus b whole cube, which is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. We get x6 plus 1 upon x6 plus 3 times of ab. Now here a is x square, b is 1 upon x square, which will cancel out. So we'll have 3 times of x square plus 1 upon x square is equals to 8. Here the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is 2. We resubstitute this value as 2. And by solving this further, we get x6 plus 1 upon x6 as 2. And the third part of the problem, for finding x12 plus 1 upon x12, we will do the squaring of equation number 3. So next step, we perform the squaring of equation number 3. By squaring this, we get x12 plus 1 upon x12 plus 2 is equals to 4. And we get x12 plus 1 upon x12 is equals to 2. So student, we observe here x plus 1 upon x is 2. X raised to power 2 plus 1 upon x raised to power 2 is again 2. All the values, the answer comes to be 2. Let us discuss another problem. In this problem, x square plus 1 upon x square is given 51 and it is asked to find x cube minus 1 upon x cube. Now student, one thing we should know here, for finding out the value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube, the basic unit here x minus 1 by x. So what I am going to do here, I am going to start the problem from x minus 1 upon x whole square. And we use this x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. The value of x square minus 1 upon x square is already given in the question as 51. We'll substitute this, we get 51 minus 2. And value of x minus 1 by x whole square is 49. By taking square root, value of x minus 1 by x is 7. In the second step, for finding x cube minus 1 upon x cube, we'll do the cubing both sides of equation number 1. By performing cubing, we use identity a cube minus b cube minus 3 times of a minus b. Here we'll substitute x minus 1 by x one more time as 7. And finally, shifting 21 to other side, your final answer is x cube minus 1 upon x cube is equals to 364. Let us discuss another problem. In this problem, x4 plus 1 upon x4 is given 194. And it is asked to find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Now student, for finding out the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube, the basic unit here x plus 1 by x. So here we have to perform some calculation work to find the value of x plus 1 by x. Now from here x4 plus 1 upon x4, we cannot find x plus 1 upon x directly. From here we will find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. And this we will find by starting the question from x square plus 1 upon x square whole square. So we get x raised to power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to power 4 plus 2. and substituting the value of x4 plus 1 upon x4 as per 94 plus 2. The next step, we get 196. Just to remove square by taking square root, we get x square plus 1 upon x square as 14. Now just to find x plus 1 upon x, we'll start the question from x plus 1 by x. Now x plus 1 upon x whole square, we get x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Substituting the value of x square plus 1 upon x square as 14, we get 16, and by taking square root, we'll get 4. Now on the third step, we'll find x cube plus 1 upon x cube by cubing both sides of equation number 2. By performing cubing of both sides of equation number 2, we get x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 times of x plus 1 by x is 64. And we get x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 12, 64, and finally we get the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube as 52. Now students, let us try one more problem related to these identities. Now here the question is asked, find the value of 64x cube minus 125z cube if 4x minus 5z is given 6 and the value of xz is given 2. In this problem, for finding out the value of 64x cube minus 125z cube, we'll start the question from 4x minus 5z is equal to 6 and we'll do the cubing both sides. By cubing both sides, we'll use identity a minus b whole cube, which is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. We get 64x cube minus 125z cube minus 3 into 4, 12 into 5, we get 60xz into 4x minus 5z. Now here the value of xz and 4x minus z is given in the question. It is 2 into 6. By multiplying them we get 720, and shifting this to other side, it is 216 plus 720, and finally we get 936. This is another problem related to these identities. The question here, it is given to you a plus b plus c is 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is 26. Find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 times of abc. Now here you have to find the value of this expression. For finding out this value of expression, we are going to use this identity, which is a plus b plus c whole square. Now student, why we are using this identity? Because for finding out the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, we need a plus b plus c, which is given in the question. We need a square plus b square plus c square, which is not given in the question. Where the value of ab plus bc plus ca is given can be solved by taking this term common. So we will start this question from the identity a plus b plus c whole square by taking a square plus b square plus c square by finding the value of a square plus b square plus c square. Let us start with this problem. Here a plus b plus c is given 9 square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square, and 2 times of ab, value of ab plus bc plus c is given 26. By multiplying this we get 52 and shifting this to other side. So finally we get a square plus b square plus c square as 29. Now this will substitute in the main identity, which is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Now this identity will adjust in this way: a plus b plus c first factor and a square plus b square c square other one. By taking minus common from this expression, we get ab plus bc plus ca. By substituting all the values, now we have our values of all the expression here: 9, 29 and 26. Finally substituting we get 27. Let us try another problem here, same kind of a problem, where a plus b plus c is given 9 and a square plus b square plus c square. The value of a square plus b square plus c square is given 35. And it is asked to find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. The process for this question is same. In this problem, the one thing, that is ab plus bc plus ca, is missing. Now for this, again we'll start with the problem with a plus b plus c whole square. Substitute the values. A plus b plus c is given 9 and a square plus b square is 35. 2 times of ab plus bc plus C as such. Shifting 35 to other side, we get 46. Now this 2 shifted to denominator, we get 23. So we got this value. This will substitute in the given problem, which is AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC. The first factor A plus B plus C, which is 9. A square B square C square is 35, and this we have found 23 right now. Substituting the value, we get the answer 108. Now student, let us try this problem. In this problem, A plus B plus C is given 8, AB plus BC plus C is given 20, ABC is given 1, and it is asked to find the value for AQ plus BQ plus CQ. In this problem, first of all, we are going to find the value for A square plus B square plus C square. For this, we will use our identity A plus B plus C whole square. By substituting all the values, A plus B plus C is 8, 8 square is 64, and A square plus B square plus C square plus 20 into 2, we get 40. Finding A square plus B square plus C square from here, we get 24. In the next step, we will use the main identity, which is AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3 times of ABC. And the right hand side, A plus B plus C, A square B square plus C square, and AB plus BC plus CA. These all values are given to you, so you will substitute the value for A plus A into B into C, which is given the problem. Value for A plus B plus C, A square plus B square plus C square we just found, and AB plus BC plus CA. So when we substitute all the values, we get the value 8, and it is 24 minus 20. By solving this, we get 32. It is 24 minus 20. We get 4 into 8, 32. This 3 shifted to other side, we get plus 3, and overall the value of AQ plus BQ plus CQ is 35. These are some practice problems related to this concept which we have discussed today. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.